Ala here. So I am back in London. I have filmed a few bits as I went along, and I have a long story to tell you of what's been happening with my gut and my stomach. First of all, the good news is that it's actually getting better. I'm so happy. I also feel like my mind is getting better. I know someone told me that it also clears your mind because, you know, these type of things and that live in your gut are just not good for you. I still am bloated, but I have no more pain per se. Like, I've only had pain a little bit last night, but to be honest, I did have a lot of cake. I've been eating sugar for the last 3 days because I was with my family and I've made lots of cakes and I was eating them as well. So obviously I'm not supposed to eat sugar. It's really difficult. I'm trying my best. I failed for the last 4 days, and straight away I could feel that, with this medicine as well, like, it's not really good to have sugar. I also had an incident. So I've been following all the tablets, and then I did an oil treatment, right? And actually went really badly. I woke up at like 1 a.m. in a lot of pain, cramps. Like, I literally thought I was gonna die. It was so bad. I actually passed out on my toilet. There was a wall, so I kind of like leaned down and passed out. I couldn't call my grandma because she was deaf, and I couldn't reach my phone because it was in the other room. I don't know how long I passed out for, probably like 15 minutes or so, but it was pretty scary. I felt so dizzy. I felt like I was being drugged. That's the kind of, like, honestly, I've never felt like that before. It was really scary. It was almost like I had no control. Well, I didn't. I did call my doctor, but obviously it was like 3 in the morning or 1 in the morning. He obviously called me the next day, asked me what it was, and I don't know, the cramps did become less and less, but I was in a lot of pain. Like, it was not funny. I was gonna call ambulances, but I thought, okay, I'll wait, because the cramps kept coming and going, and then eventually, they stopped. But yeah, anyway, after that, I've been drinking this disgusting powder mixture and all my tablets. I'm doing really well. I'm taking them all on time, and I can see that the bloat is getting smaller. It's only been 10 days or something. I feel like I've been on this forever, but I'm seeing progress. I'm really excited. There's still a long way to go. But yeah, just will show you my belly now. Good morning, guys. I just thought I'll show you my stomach. It's been 1 week on the treatment. I don't know if you can see. This is not my bathroom. I feel like it's getting much better. Like, I feel like the swelling's going down here, and look, the belly feels a lot smaller. I'm gonna try and suck it in. Still not successful. But I just feel it's much smaller. I'm starting to feel better. I have less pain so far. I'm looking forward to seeing what's gonna happen. It's only week 1, so yeah, still big bloated, but a lot better. Guys, I'm wearing pants, but you can see, just lifting my top on, you can see that it's getting less swollen here, and it's a lot smaller. Okay, and if I pull it in, it's still not obviously going in, but it's much better. And obviously if I release fully, the bloat is still quite big, but I think it's getting much better. Honestly, I feel better. Oh, I forgot to tell everyone, I do have my little cute Baba here. Hi. So he's back in London with me. Yeah, you're so cute. Let's go for a little walk. So yeah, guys, I'm excited. I'll keep you posted. Thought I'll film an update. So I have been feeling better, and now today all day I just feel extremely bloated. I don't know if you can see, I am pulling my stomach in, but just been feeling so bloated. I don't know if it's because I've been eating so much cake and sugar in the last few days, but yeah, I'm not feeling good again. We'll see. Because I'm doing all this treatment, I've always had problems with my bowels, so my doctor gave me this homemade treatment. So I've got apricots and prunes, and I've got liquid honey. This is real natural honey. As you can see, it even started to crystallize on the sides. And we're gonna need sienna leaves. I'm gonna need to blend all of this together and then drink 1 teaspoon in the morning and 1 teaspoon at night. Specifically, like, you know, 15 minutes before my other medicine and so forth. So I'm gonna make this now. Looks interesting. Sounds a bit gross, but I do like all of the stuff apart from this. Yeah, I'll let you know. So far I've added prunes, honey and apricots, and now I've got my sienna leaves. It comes in packages. I didn't realize, so I'm gonna have to cut it and add separately. I need 50 grams. This will be fun. Here it is. Now I'm just gonna blitz it all. Looks really weird. Looks like, I don't know. I don't know if this is gonna blitz. Let's see. I'm not gonna lie, this does not look appetizing. Oh god. Wow. I think it's not as smooth as it's supposed to be. Maybe I should have put it into my Vitamix blender. I might just do that. Actually, I decided not to put this into my blender. I tried a little bit. It actually tastes delicious. Obviously, it's like fruit and honey, so it tastes much better than it looks. So you're supposed to have a dessert spoon in the morning and then in the evening before any other tablets and treatments. So yeah, I'll let you know. By the way, it stinks. It absolutely stinks. Oh, so usually I take 2 pills before my food, like 30 minutes before I'm gonna have my dinner. So, and I have nice warm water as well. And then this mixture, oh my god, absolutely gross. I'm getting ready for it. So I also found out that the flour that's in there, I forgot the name of it in English, is actually poisonous. That's why the treatment is only 40 days, because otherwise I'll probably poison myself. It really smells like, I tighten this bag as much as I can. You see, this is how it looks. You probably saw it from my previous videos. And it's dry. I'm supposed to take it dry and then down it with warm water. I'm just downing the pills first. Oh yeah, no, it's just really nasty, I'm not gonna lie. Oh yeah, and I take some time to do this every time, and sometimes it's just, oh, it gets stuck there. Oh, I feel sick just doing it. I know I'm doing it, but I know it's gonna help me, so that's why I'm doing it. Although today it's weird, I woke up so excited. You know, I recorded the vlog today saying that I feel better. And then now all day today, I've just been bloated and feeling uncomfortable. And I think it's definitely something to do with food, because over the last 4 days, I've had cake every day. And yeah, I've just not been eating healthy. So yeah, I've got myself to blame. All right, let's do this. It's bad. Oh man. You know, oh, and then you've got bits stuck in your mouth. Ooh, it's like, yeah, it's not nice, but it's working. I mean, it was working. It's working. I'm gonna keep believing it's working. Honestly, I still feel much better than before. Okay guys, I hope you enjoy this, and I'll see you in my next week. So I'll see the progress in about a week or 10 days. We'll see how we get on. Bye.